Alright, here's a quick video on what to do before you upgrade your computer to Windows 8. Now right now they've just come out with Windows 8 for $39.99, which is looks like a good deal if your computer will work better and do everything you expected it to do. So if you go to the Windows page on Microsoft and then you scroll down, there's a thing called an Upgrade Assistant. And if you download the Upgrade Assistant and run it, I've already run it, so it'll tell you what programs you have work with Windows 8 and which ones don't. Also, if you're running Windows 7 home versions, then it will upgrade and try to retain all your programs. If you're running Vista, or if you're running Windows 7 Ultimate or Professional, or running XP, then it'll pretty much wipe out everything you have and you have to reinstall all your programs. It should save your data, you know, your pictures and music and stuff. So let's see what it says I have compatibility issues with. Install, so it won't play DVDs. I'll have to install whatever DVD playing program I had. Sidebar gadgets aren't supported. Secure boot isn't compatible. Not sure what that is. Hulu desktop I don't use anyway. That came with the computer. Microsoft Security Essentials is not supported. So supposedly they say Windows Defender in Windows 8 will protect you from malware the same way as Security Essentials. I'm not sure entirely how true that is. Hardware diagnostic tools, PC Doctor, that came with the computer. iTunes not compatible, so I have to check with Apple and see if they have a version of iTunes that runs on Windows 8. That's a big deal if you're syncing it with your iPod like I am. Pinnacle Studio says I'll have to reinstall it. That's my video editing software, so I won't be able to make videos on this computer if it's not compatible. Power to Go, don't know what that is. Power Director, and then Acid Music says paid update available. So in true Sony fashion, when something new comes out, you got to pay for it. So that's too bad because that's a fun program, and we've got a lot of songs already saved in it that we'd like to keep. And then everything else it says is compatible. So I recommend you run this before, you know, just jumping in and upgrading to Windows 8 and finding out that stuff doesn't work. Run this program first.